Today's video is sponsored by Lex Luthor. Add a Fusion cross dissolve between your clips, select the transition, and open it in the Fusion page. Delete the transition node, and add a merge node after your first clip. Select the second clip, bring a shuffle node after, and connect it to the green point of the merge node as a foreground. Bring down the horizontal subdivision slider. Right-click to the vertical subdivision slider, and select to modify it with Anim Curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, and set the scale slider to 8. If you want to have more subdivisions, just use higher values here. Go back to the Tools tab, and play around with the Amount slider, and the Random Seed slider, just to waste your time. Select the Merge node, and add a Soft Glow node after. Right-click to the Gain slider, and select to modify it with Anim Curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to Easing, and set the In and Outer Expo. Change the scale value to 2, and you are ready. Go back to the Tools tab, and play around with the Threshold and the Glow Size sliders. If you want to save yourself some time, and make me a millionaire, you can buy my pack and pretend that you are a good editor.